Hi guys, it's Liam here at Ocean Mini in Plymouth. Hope you're doing really well. Got a little video for you today just talking about some fantastic cars that we've got available for immediate delivery on the brand new 20 plate. With these cars we're looking for March deliveries. We do have fantastic support from both Mini and ourselves as a retailer. And let's have a look at a couple of cars that we've got in our showroom at the moment. Starting here of course with the 5-door hatch. This is a Cooper-esque exclusive model with full leather. It's in midnight black with the silver roof as well. It features the Comfort Plus package and the navigation package as well. Great spec, fantastic car. If it's something you're interested in, you can come and have a look at it with us here at Billicombe Road. Next up, we've got the Countryman. This particular one is a Cooper Classic finished in the limited edition white silver. You can see it's got the additional black pack with the black badges, black surrounds on the lights as well. There are only a limited amount of these built out in the country. So again, it is a great car if it's something that you're looking for that's a little bit different. Next up, we move to the Mini Cooper convertible. This particular one is in Caribbean Aqua, which is a colour only available on the convertible. And this one's a Cooper S Classic, so the 2-litre petrol model. It's got a leatherette full seat interior. Again, it's got a very nice specification, and it is available for you to come and view with us down here. Finally, we move over to the Clubman. In our showroom at the moment, we've got this fantastic Cooper Classic Clubman in midnight black. It has a great specification. Again, it's an automatic featuring the 1.5 petrol engine. And finally, of course, we do have the brand new Mini Electric in our showroom. You can come and view the one that's currently sat here in the showroom. We also have a couple of cars outside for you to test drive as well. So if you are interested in looking at going electric, we've also got some options for you to have a look there too. All of these cars are in our showroom ready for you to view down at Billicombe Road in Plymouth. We also have plenty of other stock here, so if you aren't interested in the ones we've seen in the video but you'd like to look for something else, we've also got loads of great options. The number to call if you're interested in booking to come and see us is 01752 407 444, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much.